Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Fun Books and Taste Goods. And this is your host, Orlando Rosario. And I hope you are staying safe. And today, what we are going to do is we have this company. It's called Lundberg's Family Farms. And they are from California. And they do like tortilla chips and rice crisp snacks. So what we are going to do, I have 5 bags of different flavors tortilla chips, and I have 2 bags that they're made with rice. So we are going to be tasting Samosa flavored tortilla chips, cheese pizza tortilla chips, sea salt flavor tortilla chips, mango chile tortilla chips, Korean style barbecue tortilla chips. Then we have for the rice chips, we have sesame seaweed rice chips. And we have Fiesta Lime flavor rice chips. So first, let's start with sea salt. And then it says, like the company, it is located in Richville, California. And they're certified as organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan company. And they said bold bites organic bite-sized tortilla chips inspired by street food and food trucks from around the world. These bold, tasty, bite-sized tortilla chips take snacking into a new level. Made from organic rice, corn, and black chia, and topped with fruity flavors, these bold bites are what your taste buds have been begging for. And then this sea salt is a flavorful, crunchy, and bold. Or sea salt bold bites are everyone's favorite savory flavor, perfect for dipping with hummus or enjoying it straight out of the bag. So this is like how the bag looks like. So let's see. Let's see. So this is how the tortillas look like the bag. Right there. And like this, the bite-sized tortilla. So let's see. They're very crunchy, and they're salty. And the salt, you could tell is sea salt because it has a unique salt flavor. And the serving size for this is 25 little chips, and 25 of those chips is 140 calories. And the sodium is 95 milligrams. They're good. Actually good. It has I think the black stuff on the chip, I think that's the chia the chia seeds. Like right here, they look darker there in that side. So those are the chia seeds, and it's good. It has a good flavor, and with guacamole or hummus, I bet these are delicious. Next, let's try the Korean style barbecue. So like this is a Korean style barbecue. And it says Korean style barbecue, flavorful, crunchy and bold. Our South Our Korean style barbecue bold bites are sweet, saucy, and savory all in one delicious bite. Perfect for dipping with your favorite salsa or enjoying straight out of the bag. And then a history of the actual brand. It says since 1937, Lundberg Family Farms has been dedicated to bringing the best tasting, finest quality rice products to our customer. So the tortilla chips they're made with rice as well. And then the rice crisp, maybe they're like different shape, but everything is made with rice. Each package holds a promise of our continued dedication to great taste, conservation, sustainability, and innovation. Let's see. This is the first time I think I ever had rice tortilla, because all the tortillas are usually corn flour tortillas, and usually those are the ones that you get at the Mexican restaurants and stuff like that. So this is just rice tortillas, which is unique, and I'm digging it. It's good. Let's see. Korean style barbecue. This is good. It has a sweet flavor, sweet more than anything. It is good. It tastes. I've never been to a Korean style barbecue, which I know they're delicious, but I'm missing out. It's just like I don't know in my area. I know there must be one, but I have never ventured out to experience a Korean style barbecue like restaurant. But the barbecue is sweet and soy sauce like. This is delicious. Oh my god. Korean flavor, Korean style barbecue flavor on this rice tortillas. It is delicious. If you see this in the store, get it. It is so good. For this one, the serving size is 22 chips and the calories is 140, which is in reality, it's not that bad. 140 calories for a snack is not that bad. And 22 chips, that's a good amount. And the sodium here is 135 milligrams of sodium, which is more than the sea salt that only has 95. The sea salt tastes very salty, and this one is sweeter, but this one for some reason has more sodium. But this is good. It is delicious. Very nice. Very nice. So next, let's try. This is samosa. And samosa is a Indian pastry, savory pastry, which I love because I love Indian food, and samosas are delicious. It's like the samosa bread, and the samosa just, oh, it's so good. Stuffed samosas. And it says samosa, flavorful, crunchy, and bold. Our samosa bold bites bring the savory goodness of turmeric and spice straight to your taste buds. Perfect with veggie dip or enjoying straight out of the bag. I like the way they give you like each one of them, they give you different dipping sauces like that go good with this, which is cool. They give you different ideas for what dips to buy for the actual chips, which is good. This one, again, the serving size is 22 chips, the calories is 140, and the sodium is 105 milligrams of sodium. So let's try this one. Oh my god, immediately the smell of turmeric, your face. It's very strong, and it transports you to those Mediterranean Indian spices. Look. They don't. They just look normal, like normal, like within color. Almost all of them are the same color, like this color. Um, let's see. Immediately, it transports you to Indian cuisine. Mmm. Oh my God, these chips, these are delicious. This brand is delicious. Mm-mm-mm. If you like Indian food and you like samosas, this is delicious because it actually tastes like samosa. Mm-mm-mm. Delicious. If you want to, like here it says a veggie dip, but I'm trying to think of fusion, like a guacamole with this, like Mexican Indian fusion. It will be delicious. This is good. Oh my God, they're good. They're good. Very good. Now is mango chile flavor. And it says mango chile, flavorful, crunchy, and bold. Our mango chile bold bites are the perfect balance of sweet and spicy with a hint of lime. Perfect for dipping with mango salsa and enjoying straight out of the bag. Let's see. It smells like mango. Oh my God, yeah, it smells like the fruit. Very, very good smell. They this one look more like more orangey, yellowish than the other ones. They're coated. You can see they're coated with some like powder. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is delicious. The mango flavor is there. Actually, it smells more. It smells more like mango than what it actually tastes. The mango flavor is there, and it's very like the aftertaste is pure mango. Like when you like right now, the aftertaste that I have in my mouth is mango, but when you actually put the chip in your mouth, you taste the mango, but it's very mild. And the powdery stuff is slimy. Whatever is here, the combinations work so well together. I am in love with this brand. I never had this brand before, and I'm surprised. It is delicious. And again, this is non-sponsor, so this company is not sponsoring me. I went to a store in Connecticut when I was visiting my brother, and I saw this this chips in a store, and it caught my attention because of the different flavors, like the samosa and the Korean style barbecue. So it just gave me an idea to buy them and make a taste test about it. So this company is in California, and if this was available in Connecticut, I'm sure it may be available in all the states. Delicious. Oh my God, this is so good. Very, very, very good. The next one is cheese pizza. So this is 140 calories for 22 chips as well, and the sodium is 135 milligrams. And it says flavorful, crunchy, and bold. Our cheesy pizza bold bites deliver the classic cheese and tomato combo you're craving. Perfect for dipping with ranch dressing or enjoying straight out of the bag. Let's see. It says like this. It doesn't smell anything specific, but let's see. Let's give it a try. It tastes like cheese pizza. Oh my god. Look. It tastes like cheese pizza, but it also has this like tomato soup quality to it, the flavor. It reminds me of something. I'm trying, but it's on the tip of my tongue and I cannot. Oh my god, what is it? It reminds me of something. It reminds me of you know the combos, which is the stuffed pretzel snack combos. They have one that is pizza flavor. It tastes like this. Tastes the same. It is good. Not my out of all of these, I prefer the other one, the Korean, the mango, and the samosa. Prefer it better than the sea salt, but it's good. It's good. I'm not wowed by it, but it tastes like pizza. It's good. It's very good. Now this one is the rice chips. I say I don't here they call it rice tortillas, but here it's called rice chips. But then the shape is like a triangular tortilla shape, so I don't know. So let's see. Here it says this one, it says that it's gluten-free and made with whole grains. It doesn't mention the non-GMO and the vegan part. So I don't know if these are vegan, because it doesn't mention. The other ones were very sure that they said, it says organic. Also, all of their products are organic and non-GMO. But it does in this too, the Arlev, it doesn't mention the word the word vegan is not here. So I don't know. So let's see. It says sesame seaweed, the Far East style of sesame and seaweed with the delicious crunch of brown rice. Lundberg sesame seaweed rice chips are great right out of the bag or with your favorite dip or salsa. It doesn't give you a specific salsa or dip like the other ones gave you, like the bag actually were specific with ranch or veggie or mango salsa, stuff like that. This one just says you could use it in your favorite dip or salsa. It doesn't give you a specific one. Then use them to make nachos or to add flavor and crunch to soups, salads, and casseroles, or whatever you may dream up in the kitchen. So these are more for says you could use it for nachos. Let's see what's the difference. If the size are bigger or what? So the size is almost a little bit bigger, but it's almost the same size. Let's see. Yeah, big. It's like twice the size. I think that was the cheese again. Yeah. So these are like twice the size of the other tortilla chips. So maybe that's why they're good for nachos. So let's see this the sesame seaweed. I love sesame seeds. One of my favorite Puerto Rican candies is dulce de ajonjolí, which ajonjolí in español, ajonjolí in Spanish is sesame seeds, and that's my favorite candy in Puerto Rico. Like those homemade style candies that they sell in Puerto Rico. I love sesame seeds. And this one, the sesame seed stays in your mouth, like right there. The seaweed, because I love seaweed. I love the seaweed salad when I go out and eat sushi and stuff. I like the seaweed salad, which it has like this weird sweet taste to it, but it is delicious. It is good. I don't taste that flavor here. It's good. I would like to try this actually in as nacho, like to put like cheese and stuff like that, and sour cream and guacamole, and do like a whole tray of nachos with this ones. So these are good. I love the sesame. The sesame, the aftertaste, it's a very, for me, it's a very pleasant aftertaste. And then this one is Fiesta Lime. It's just that the bag is in French and in English. I don't know why, but that's the bag. So it's Fiesta Lime, and it says calorie wise is 200 for 12 chips, and everything's in French. Maybe this is also sold in Canada or something, or because this is the only bag that everything is English and French, and the sodium is 170. And then it says Fiesta Lime, enjoy the zesty, tangy taste of Lundberg's Fiesta Lime rice chips with the delicious crunch of brown rice. It doesn't give you anything else regarding like dipping or what else to do with this one. So let's see. Just tastes very. It doesn't smell. Doesn't have a. The smell is very. It's normal smell. It doesn't smell anything specific. So. And these are bigger. The chips, like the other one, the sesame seaweed. This one is this one is thicker and crunchier. It is very limey. Actually, I will combine this one and do nachos. Just combine them because this has lime in it, and it's very good. It gives it a good flavor. To be honest, I am very surprised because I have never heard of this company before. And their products are delicious. Like this bite that I just had right here, full of lime flavor. It is so good. Very, very, very good. And they're healthier. They're organic. Beautiful taste. Like all of these have like a beautiful melody of flavors in your mouth, and they are delicious. All of them. My favorite ones, in this one, is very hard to say. The big one, the rice chips and the Fiesta Lime. This definitely, to enhance the flavor of both, I will put them together, and I will create a nice tray of nachos and put just melted cheddar cheese, put sour cream, put jalapenos, cheese sauce, whatever, because these are good. These are delicious. And then for the ones with the taco truck flavors, which is the Caesar, the Korean style barbecue, the Samosa, the mango chile, and the cheese pizza, my least favorite of those was the cheese pizza. I think because it's common, you find a lot of products that have cheese flavor. So for me, it was just nothing special about it. It was still good. I love the samosa. This literally, when you take a bite of this and you love Indian food, you're gonna be transported to an Indian restaurant and eating delicious samosas. And the Korean style barbecue, they're delicious too. See, and this one too, the mango chili. So these three, they're delicious. These three right here, delicious. So if you see them in the store, buy them, give them a chance, because they are delicious. Good, 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 good. So I hope you like my video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, to hit like button on the video, and to share my video with your friends and family. And stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope you are enjoying my my videos. And remember, if you have something that you want me to taste and try and make a video out of it, just write it in the comments below. Just write it in the comments, and I will do my best to buy the products and to do a taste test and mention your name, give you credit, and just feel free to do that. Feel free to let me know exactly what you want me to taste next. So God bless. Bye bye.